What is going on, guys? And I cannot believe I'm playing Planet Coaster on the PC right now. Or, Jesus Christ, not the PC. I'm on my Xbox Series X. You guys can see the controller right here. It's a new Series X. You can tell by the D-pad. And yeah, I'm just so hyped. I know I haven't uploaded in a while. Not only have I been waiting for this console to get in, I've also been waiting... Oh, well, there's my gamer tag. Excuse me. I've also been waiting for a time where I was at home by myself. Ooh, I always like having high brightness in games. Safe frame. Oh, that only makes it go smaller. Alright, well. And here we are. We are in Planet Coaster. Oh my goodness. On the console. Now, this is my first live com. I know this is a different video, or a different kind of video than what we normally do, but I sort of just wanted to play the tutorial in this mode. And then when I start doing my sandbox, I really want to start a Let's Play series. And the reason I keep looking down is because I try to time up to make sure my face cam isn't untimed with the gameplay. So, alright, I put my hand out as the car goes by. We look good. Alright, so career, Oswald's practice. So there's 2 tutorials. I think I'm going to do 2 different episodes. Yeah, there's the roller coaster. Oh, green pastures. I already am not loving how the menu works because I don't have full freedom, and yeah, you can only use the D-pad to select things. But green pastures. So let's start this. I've only seen a little bit of gameplay of this, but I am so excited. You guys are going to see firsthand, me converting to the controller and all of the controls on this. But I am so excited to finally play this on the Xbox.
Is that a budding theme park proprietor?
It is.
I see before me. I certainly hope so. Otherwise, you're in quite the wrong place.
Quite the wrong place. I am going to take a little video of this setup because this is way different than what I normally do. Thompson, okay. This looks so beautiful on my TV. I normally don't sit this close to it. I sit in the couch that's right behind me, but sitting here looking at this is beautiful. Charming little park. Okay, so here's all of our space. This looks so nice. That was a complete disaster. I may or may not have tried to record a portion of this with my face cam on, and that may or may not have basically crashed my computer. But we are back, and I wanted to try to do this tutorial in a live com mode, so that's why I did it. And I wanted to try to do it with a face cam, but that did not work out too well. So here we are playing Planet Coaster Console Edition. Now, all that you guys have missed is me learning how to use the camera, which is it's a little easy and it's a little hard at the same time. It's definitely going to take some getting used to, especially that sort of rotating. But zooming in and out, I think it does work very smooth, and just seeing this on a console is so beautiful. But what she wants me to do next is select and open this ride. Okay, so there's this cursor in the middle of my screen. So I'm going to do this as a live. I'm going to tell a story of, getting my Xbox Series X. Sorry. Oh, and I just may or may not have pointed the controller at the face cam that isn't working right now, but just hit A to select. Alright, now how do we navigate? Okay, so it seems like all of the menu navigation is going to be using the D-pads. Unfortunately, because these are used for the cameras, you can't use them, to navigate the menus. So just open. Okay, so how do I... Alright, so RB is how you're going to go through these. Sorry, I'm just doing this with Xbox controls. But eventually, I do want to do another Let's Play Planet Coaster series where I do a live com over some fast-forwarded gameplay. Let me stop talking over them.
A bigger flood. This place just needs something a bit more thrilling.
A bit more thrilling.
If people want thrills, then we'll give them thrills. And possibly nausea.
Just a little bit of nausea.
Head over to the highlighted area.
Highlighted area.
Excellent location for a ride. But let's ask our head engineer, Eugene.
Ooh, our head engineer.
Greetings, Eugene Newton. Good to make your acquaintance. And yes, Mr. Thompson, I think it will do nicely. The proximity to existing infrastructure appears nominal, so guests should be able to achieve both entry and exit with minimal difficulty.
It's nice how they have that made for us to practice everything.
So, if you
Alright.
Start by clearing the highlighted area of any obstructions, please.
Clearing the air.
And do not fret, those items will automatically be sold, so we will get at least some of the purchase price back.
Gotcha. Alright. So, like I was saying... Oh, he's not done.
The radial menu gives you fast access to commonly used actions.
Radial
Please
menu.
note that the options
How do I
available
do
in the
that?
radial menu will change depending on the mode you're in.
Okay. Oh, Y plus that. Oh, there it is. Okay, so it's a two-step sort of thing. Alright, so that's how you do the radial. Oh, there's probably a delete section thing just for if I need to do things like this. But like I was saying, I really want to do a Let's Play Planet Coaster series on the console because I got to episode 2 of the PC version and I could already see that it wasn't running the same. So the fact that we have this on console means that I'm so happy to do this on console, but I'm getting used to the controls now, so that's the point of this, sort of live comm episode. So, they want us to delete things so we can... Wait, where did our console go? In the middle. I'm already not doing a good job at this. But we had a console in the middle, and now I don't really know how to... Oh, well. Okay, well, I guess we're going to use that delete. How do I select it? They don't... Okay, this is... Okay, so there's the... I have it select... How do I... Delete. Oh, I need to... Oh, okay. I needed to back out of that. Wow. That made me look like a beginner. So, we're going to select that. And... Oh, easy delete. But I heard you can also select and... Oh, you can just hit Y on it. Easy as that.
Now, I've already chosen a suitably thrilling ride for you, so if you would care to select it.
A suitably thrilling ride. Okay. So, so hitting RB or LB automatically brings that up, and there is our ride.
In the designated area.
This is so cool seeing this on console. Okay, so we want our entrance and our exit. This is how you can move them.
So you can build a ride queue.
Like that, and like that. Okay, so it does the pathing automatically for you. Path building. Guests need paths. Alright, so this is where it might get a little funky. Okay, so left stick is how you do that, and then you just move. How do you go up and down? I'm not sure how to angle it. There's got to be an easy way to do that. Oh, change height. R. Oh, okay. Oh. So do I... Sorry, this is my... You guys are learning with me. You know what, let's just do that so we can make this not a long episode. I will figure out how to do that eventually.
From the exit gate back to the rest of the park. For that, you can simply use normal paths.
Gotcha.
And if you do find any obstacles or obstructions in your way, you can build slopes or stairs into your path to get over them.
Oh, I wasn't supposed... Okay, so how do we do that then? Whoa, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, Y. Alright, well, at least using the Y as a delete tool is pretty useful. Alright, boom and boom. I'm still not 100% sure how to change the height on it, but that'll have to work. I can open the ride.
Not how we do it, is it, Eugene?
Oh.
Apologies, I meant, and finally, you can open the ride.
Ah, we just need a little bit more excitement. So we're gonna select it, just go over and hit open.
That's more like it.
Can I ride it?
Way more teenagers like me and my followers visiting the park now.
Don't you just love
Oh, I can't access it right now.
So much
Oh, who is this?
Cynthia! I didn't see you there. Please, allow me to introduce...
Cynthia Clark, Chief Financial Officer.
Chief Financial
It's my
Officer.
job to make sure these places turn a profit. Speaking of which, thanks to that new ride, the park's rating has gone up. And you know what that means?
We can charge more money.
We can start charging the
Yep.
guests more money.
Okay, very well. A necessary evil, I suppose.
Guests think Magic Castle is cheap. Well,
Evil.
what is Magic
Did you
Castle?
see that notification? Even the guests think we're
Is that this?
undercharging.
Oh, how did that get a long line that wow. Ride profits. Okay, so that's just talking to us about money.
Take a good look at the notification. It'll tell you what we need to alter the prices of.
Oh. I didn't look at it that long then. Notifications.
Oh, look.
Okay.
It's that family-friendly little ride of ours. Go on. Put the ticket prices up by a few dollars.
That seems a wee bit steep.
A few dollars?
Honestly, Oswald, the people
Is that
visiting
a...
this park
How much are we supposed to go up to?
ride
Oh,
rides.
okay.
They're getting to make precious memories.
So we'll go $10 then, I
If
guess?
the ticket prices up, then we're making those memories even more precious, aren't we?
Yeah, makes sense to me.
That actually makes sense.
No, it doesn't.
Lower ticket prices make guests happy.
Okay, I like this
I know we're in
zoom.
the happiness business, Oswald, but we're also in the staying in business.
That is correct.
Look, if you're so worried, why don't we have your new underlings select a few guests and see what they're thinking, eh?
A few guests.
Indeed. They are a trainee, and they have a name. Although I just realised I don't know it.
Okay, well now at least I know if I don't have that cursor, that means I have something selected. So, you can see their thoughts.
See? That guest didn't seem too put off by the higher
Whoa.
price, did they?
Okay, so that is gonna take some getting used to. You guys see my episodes in the future, and there's like weird camera angles. It's because it's gonna take some time. Okay, so what did they tell us to do? We know park entry is free. Do I need to select another one? Yep. The queue looks fast. That's a good thing. Okay, so do we need to make the park entrance not free? Is that what we're doing, or? I did not. Oh, I have to select more guests.
Well, I didn't see anything to worry about there.
Me neither.
Come on, let's just hit fast forward, sit back, and let the money roll in for a while. At least until we've made a healthy profit.
Okay, so we can make it hitting X and up. Oh, okay, I like that. That's not hard at all. Okay, so you can get used to that, and now I guess I did it wrong because we're paused. Oh, there we go. Oh, so it's two different things. So if you just go down, it'll pause automatically, replay it, and then if you go up, you can just adjust the speed. All right.
Well done on hitting Cynthia's profit forecast. Honestly, I was worried it was a little high. But as always, she knows just how hard to squeeze the guests' wallets. Anyway, now that we've made some money, we can make some improvements.
Improvements.
Don't forget to slow things back down to normal speed again. After all, it's not a good idea to build a park on fast forward. You might miss out on an important notification, or a ride breaking down,
True.
or all your staff leaving, or
Oh, no.
heaven forbid, my birthday.
His birthday.
Anyway,
Okay, this is a little corny, but I actually don't mind it, and I think it'll actually get new people to the series excited, and it's actually doing a good job of teaching me how to do things. And there's a bronze objective. Alright, so that is going to end this first episode of Let's Play Planet Coaster. Like I said, these are going to start getting back into the sped up episodes like the rest of them. But this was just the tutorial, so I don't know. We might keep playing this tutorial, or I might just hop right in. But whatever happens next, I will see you guys